Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in this puzzle page of Saturday. Yes, Saturday, December the 23rd, 2023. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, and the binary puzzle. So it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic in Dutch, they call it Cypher block in Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 7673. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Wow, this one has 16 printed digits. 16. Should be an easy one, 16. The hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. So I think it's a 1-star or a 2-stars puzzle. For 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. For 2-stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. Is this a 2-stars puzzle or a 1-star puzzle? I do not know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? The single box is always a 1. Do we have here single boxes? No, cannot see any single boxes. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. More dual boxes? Nope. Triple boxes then. I see here a triple box. Here, triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Well, the 5 is already in the same area, so this box should be a 4 then. Here, another triple box, and there also another triple box. The 3 is already filled in, so those 2 boxes will be the 1 and 2, 1 and 2. And when you have a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. It can be a 5 here, because we have a 5 in the same area, so this box should be a 4 then. Here, another triple box. The 3 is already given, so the 1 and the 2 are left. Then the following question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. No quadra boxes here. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Alright. So in this case, it's a 5 here. It's a 5. And we have only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. Here, another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this? No. This shape. Let me put the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. This box cannot be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this T-shape area for number 4 is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. 1 was 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there. So no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this W area shape. For numbers 1 and the 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes surround the 5 can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. This box can be, wait, these 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 1. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. This box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Then, Well. I think this box should be a 4. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4 is connected with that box. Should be also 4. 2 numbers left in this area from 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Then I think this box should be a 1. Because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. I think this box, wait. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2. We have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. In this triple box, we have 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 4, because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, should be a 4, give me a 5, yes, definitely a 4. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left with 3 in this area, should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright, and now this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well, that means that those 2 boxes can be 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here or there, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 3, but also that box can be a 3. So 1 box left with a 3 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, the 5 goes there, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be, and a 2 goes, and there. Finish in 11 minutes. Told you, need to be faster than 50 minutes. Definitely a 1 star. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow on Sunday. So have a great and fantastic Saturday. Until then, bye bye for now.